Welcome back to Captain Fun Videos. Today we're going to do the mini Yamato in Lego. To show you what parts you need, we'll do a quick stop motion deconstruction of the boat. This is what you need to build the Yamato in Lego. Feel free to pause the video. Now let's start with the red part. First, you take a long piece, and then we add it together, but we have to leave one space in front. And then we take the longer one, and we have this one in the back, but there's no passing, and then the 2x3 in front. And then we add it together like that. So let's do the front of the boat. So we take these two, put it here on the flat side, on both sides. And then we take this, put it in the front like that. And then we have the 2x4 flat, and we cover it up. Now let's do the middle part of the boat. So we have, take two of these, put it down. And then two 2x2s. And to secure them, we'll have the 2x4 flat right in the middle. Then we take these little dots, put them here. And on the other side too. Now let's do the rear of the boat. So first, we take the same as in front, put them facing the other way, and then we'll have that 1x2, and the one facing horizontally, put it against. Now let's do the deck. So we'll have these ones, put it at the back, and then another. And on the sides, right in front of the 3 points, on both sides. And then we'll have a 2x4 flat, and then we'll have 4 of them. As shown, and then put right there. Now let's start to put the cannons. So first we have like the handles, put them like that, facing the front. And then the back ones, which has to be higher, we put the little dots. Oh no! Okay, on both sides, as shown, we put the cannons right over. Then we have the one in the middle, right there. And then the last 2 cannons facing the back. Okay, and done. Now let's do the funnel and the captain's cabin. So first, let's do the funnel. We have this tube with the black dot. Put the black dot on top. Put it there. Now let's do the cabin. So we have this circular 2x2. Put it in front like that. We'll have the same as the one we put on the funnel. Right there. And a dark gray dot. And then finally, the control towers. So we'll put it like this on opposite sides. Like that. If you like our Yamato video, you will also like our other videos of the Titanic before it sank and an aircraft carrier. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, like and share. And feel free to check out Instagram called Captain Funstagram in the link below.